Hi students, this is course 3, lesson 4, excuse me, multiplication and division word problems. Okay, so lesson 3 we had plot types for addition and subtraction, so we will have plot types for multiplication and division word problems also. The plot type, remember, is just the story, what it is telling you to do in the word problem. So we will have equal groups problems now, and there is only one on this lesson, so it's equal groups. And the equation is the number of groups times the number in a group is going to equal the total. And the equation that the book will use is n times g equals t. So the number of groups times the number of items in a group equals t. Now, if you are not sure which one is the number of groups and which one is the number in the group, that's okay, because the commutative property says that these can be reversed and it will not change your answer. Okay? So, let's look at a problem here. Here's an example, and you might want to write this down in your book or in your notebook. You have an example. If pop comes 12 cans to a case, if you have 8 cases, how many cans of pop do you have? Okay? I want you to pause the video in just a second. You're going to write the equation and solve it. Okay, so pause the video and resume when you have the equation written down in your notes and you have the solution. And then you can press play to resume and check your answer. Okay, so your equation should be 8 times 12 equals t. T would equal 96 cans, and you just solve that by multiplying. Okay, another example. If a box will hold 6 books and I need to package 80 books, how many boxes can I fill? Okay, so write the equation and then solve. Pause the video and resume when you have that in your notes. Okay, here is the equation that you should have. N times 6 equals 80, and remember, n can be any letter. It's a variable. You can use whichever letter you like. And to solve, you would divide. So you're going to divide 80 by 6, and you end up with 13 decimal point something or 13 remainder 2. And when you answer the question, you answer how many boxes can you fill? Well, you can only fill 13 boxes. The next box, the 14th box, is not full. Okay, so be very careful when you do problems where it says how many boxes can you fill. They want to know the number of boxes, not the number of partial boxes. Okay? That is it for lesson 4. Short and sweet today. I will see you in class.